Hello, people. I have been getting a lot of queries asking for if Odoo provides any sandbox instance for people who want to learn Odoo or want to see how Odoo works. What are the modules that Odoo offers? So I thought of creating a video to help all those who wants to learn and grow with Odoo. So, coming back to the question, does Odoo provide any instance or testing server for all the peoples that too without giving any kind of personal information or details? The answer is yes. So, what are those instances and how one can access that? To access those instances, let me just show you how to do that. So I have taken a note in Odoo only. Oh yes, obviously Odoo also provides one app called To Do. You can add notes. You can even share your notes with other people's or other colleagues. Okay, let's not go to the technical part. So here you can see, oops, incorrect note. So here it is. So you can see I have already created a note. Let me just open that. So you will be able to see there are two particular websites by using which you can check those or you can access those instances. So one is demo.odoo.com, second one is runbot.odoo.com. Now what's the difference between them? Now when we talk about demo.odoo.com, so whenever you type demo.odoo.com in your browser, it will be directly redirect you to the Odoo's latest version. Means currently Odoo is running on version 19, so it will automatically redirect you to the Odoo's latest version, that is version 19. That too for enterprise edition. So those people who are very new to Odoo, so Odoo is having two different, I'll say, you can consider two different verticals. One is enterprise and another one is community. I'm currently preparing a video on that as well. What is Odoo community and what is Odoo enterprise? Anyway, let's not get deep into that particular thing in this video. I'm going to post another video for the same. So for demo.odoo.com right now, I don't think you'll be able to see my web address here, but I am accessing Odoo from demo.com right now. Now, what's the difference between the runbot? Now, for runbot, in runbot, if you want to access multiple instances, for example, if you want to access the older version, that is version 17, version 18, currently it is on version 19. Also, if you want to access enterprise or community edition, runbot is something that you should be considering. Let me just give you a gist of how runbot looks, and if you are using runbot, how to open the instance. Let me just quickly jump on to runbot. So this is how the dashboard, or I'll say the homepage of runbot.odoo.com looks like. So you can find version 16 is here, version 17, version 18, and after that version, after version 18, there are upgrades, that is 18.2, 18.3, and this is master, that is version 19. Also, you can see there are a few green and there are a few red boxes. So if you see any red boxes, means there is some activity going on. So you don't need to open this one, but there are a lot of other instances you can see. You have to open that. So here we have an option called COM. Basically, this is community and this is enterprise edition. If you want to open community, just click here. If you want to open enterprise edition, click here. So right now I want to open version 18.4 and that to enterprise edition. So I'll simply click here and it will redirect me to that particular instance. And whenever you are using Odoo, the default password for accessing the database is admin. I'll just show you that in a minute. It usually takes some time to load, so don't worry, your internet is not slow. But there are a lot of people who are using this staging instance, so you have to be patient with that. So you can see I have successfully opened that particular page. Now, if you want to log in, just simply click on sign in here. Once you click on sign in, an option to add the details or credentials will pop up. So here you can see I have tried logging in, but it's not working. That's fine. That's fine. So the alternate option for that is okay. Let's try one more time. If it doesn't work, then I'll show you the alternate option as well. So you can see it's not opening. So what I'll do is I simply go back, and I'll switch the instance. So this time I will try with this one. Let's see if this works or not. You can see. Let me just try that again. So after being patient, you can see the page has been loaded. Now the default ID and password for this is admin admin. Just log in with that. It will take a bit time to load. Now when to use demo and when to use runbot. So now you can see runbot is taking a lot of time. So I generally prefer to use demo.odoo.com because it's very fast. The latest version opens every time, and also my enterprise version is open whenever I open the website. Now when to use runbot, if you want to find any of the feature, or if you are like looking for any of a particular feature in the predecessor version, at that time you can use runbot. Or maybe if you want to use or access the community version, at that time also you can use this runbot. So you can see my instance is now completely loaded, and I am able to see all the apps that Odoo is giving as of now. Yes, so now we can start testing. And by the way, I will add both the links into my video's description. You can directly access it from there. Just make sure do not add www.runbot. Just simply type runbot.odoo.com. Type runbot.odoo.com and demo.odoo.com. Do not add www. Okay, this is one pro tip I can add. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos, and subscribe if you find my video useful. Thank you.